The 2018 Dodge Challenger, rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, traction control, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.